Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Leo from Midlife Crisis coming at you from Bass Pro Shop at Gillete Stadium in Foxborough, Massachusetts. So today we got a Cruisin night car show. It's a free car show to the public. You just do a little donation for the local food pantry. So you just give a little cash donation, a non-perishable. So we're here today, and it's June 1st. We're going to check out some cars. There's some crazy stuff. I mean, of course, we got the 2008 Corvette convertible of mine. Then you got this looks like a C3 body Corvette for sale, T-top. So the gentleman's trying to sell it right there, so I'm not going to go bother him and look at that anytime soon. You know, he's talking to somebody else there. So got the C7, C6, C7, C5. A lot of Corvettes here. Off to my right here, got a C4. Just a bunch of beautiful cars out here today. We got a lot of Corvettes, guys. I mean, let's flip this around. Instead of looking at my ugly face, you can look at the beautiful cars that we got going on today. All right, so we got the C4, C7, another beautiful C7. Gotta love the Corvettes, guys. Don't forget that highlighter C8 target top there. Beautiful cars. Look at all this. Look at this. I mean, we got all kinds coming around, right? Mustang, Ferrari, Bugatti, Audi, Corvette. That's the beautiful thing about these car meets, guys. You see just about anybody and everybody. Now, I cannot resist checking out this beautiful Ferrari. Beautiful. Look at this. Thing is cherry inside, guys. That was a very loud Audi. Wow. Very, very mint condition. Got to have this beautiful Bugatti right here as well, guys. Look at this. This cars had some style. It's beautiful. Look at that, huh? Now, I'm not going to bind you up too long on too many cars here. We can be here for hours and still not see everything. Look at this beautiful C2. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at that. I mean, the lines on this are just phenomenal. You know, what more do you need than 4 on the floor, right? Beautiful. Ooh, look at that. C6 Z06. Beautiful. Gonna have the old Mustang here. But guys, let's be real here. Who doesn't love a good Bel Air? Bel Airs are just beautiful cars. Let me tell you. Look at this. We got a beautiful here. C5 convertible. Headlight conversion, rear glass, nice exhaust, carbon fiber ZR1 wing, just mint condition, guys. Beautiful cars. Get that, huh? With the halos. Oh, look at the beautiful GTO. Who wouldn't like to have one of these right here, huh? Beautiful GTO triple carb convertible. I mean, seriously, this thing is phenomenal. And there we go, 4 on the floor. Gotta love it, guys. Gotta love it. Little SSR action. You guys remember that, right? Chevy's answer to a convertible hot rod pickup truck. Hey, why don't we do this? Why don't we zoom out a little? There we go. Makes it a little better, right? Look at that. Oh, throw back to the old Lightnings right there. Ford F-150 Lightning supercharged. Right next to this beautiful C7. Another beautiful C6. And another beautiful C8. Can't beat this, guys. Can't beat this. Look at this. I got a sweet spot for this. Convertible C6. You know me, guys. I love my convertible C6. Oh, so cherry. Look how clean this puppy is. Oh, yeah. Now, if I'm not mistaken, that right there is an old Nissan Skyline, just kind of, no, Infinity. Right side drive. Guys, that's an Infinity right side drive. Now, that is very rare indeed, my friends. Rare indeed. Got to have the old school louvers here. Now, this is just a small section. I started off at the small end of the show, guys. This is crazy. Got some more convertibles, a little Thunderbird action. Another Bel Air. Got some more Corvettes down that way. Another one coming down the hill. Just beautiful. Why don't we pause here and go to the other section of the show. All right, guys, I couldn't help myself here. So we got Mopar Alley over here. We got a few of the Mopars. Got some beautiful Challengers and Chargers. You know, they love them superchargers and big intakes. Who doesn't love a good Hemi, right? Look at that. And you got some more. More. Oh, but it does not stop there, guys. No. If you look straight ahead, we have even more Mopar. That's right. We have Mopar. Gotta love that. Oh, and we even have a Magnum. Oh, man. Gotta love the sleeper wagons, right? Look at that. The Durango, all done up for shows. Man, there's a lot of money in this one. The whole back is speakers and amplifiers. It is just crazy. Look at that. Wow. That's a beautiful Thunder. Look at this. Look at all of those speakers. That is insane. Y'all like your music? I do. Oh, yeah. Here we are. Got the SRT Jeep Grand Cherokee. 4-leg exhaust, big intake. Oh, we're not playing here, boys and girls. Lots of Hemi power. Well, you know, I do like me my Mopars. That's why I have a Dodge Ram with the Hemi. So I'm pretty partial to these guys. I'm pretty partial. I gotta say though, this blue one sure is sweet, but I love me white. Wow. Look at this. This is like eye candy right here. Yeah, please don't touch my SRT. That's right. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous. You guys like Mustangs? How's this for a convertible Mustang? You hear that? Nice, throaty. You just can't go wrong with that. All these cars are so beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Hey, look, we took a little ride around and got the C7. There's my C6. Got the new front splitter by EOS on there. Oh, now who doesn't like a Shelby? Nice little Cobra action. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. Oh, and we got another one, guys. We got a nice 427. Oh, Paxson engine here. Oh, it's going a little chrome, a little bling action in the motor compartment. Ooh, he's running some big fatties on the back. Nice big fatties. Oh, he's not messing around. Got the fire extinguisher, heavy duty seat belts there. Lots of gauges. He's ready to rock and roll here. And I like me some blue. I'm a very big blue guy. Look at that. Straight up eye candy. Love it. Look at this. Nice and clean. So pretty. Plenty of reasons for me to get in trouble. Yep, gotta have that C8. Nice and slick. Well, let me tell you, it's right next to this C5. Got another C8 coming in. And we got some more over here. Corvettes. Got a C7, 5, 3, 8, and a 1. Oh, you know we gotta go look at that C1. First gen. Oh, that looks so beautiful. That's right. Yeah, check that bad boy out. Look at that. I think I found me my favorite one right here. Woo! Gorgeous. Got that hardtop convertible. Automatic. Look at that beautiful, beautiful car this is, guys. Beautiful. Wow. Huh? Now that is a big wing on that C8 right there. Oh boy. What do we got going here? A little gladiator action here. Who needs doors, right? Oh. Now this brings me back to the good old days of listening to the Little Beach Boys. Good old Beach Boys, man. Little Deuce Coupe's not this one, but there is one here. I saw it earlier. Not sure where that puppy went off to. Look at this truck. Oh, just gorgeous. Gorgeous truck, guys. Gorgeous. It is so bright out and so hot. It's like 90 degrees and super sunny that I can't even tell when I'm recording at because sometimes the phone just reflects my face. Look, here's some more Corvettes. Let me tell you, Corvettes are all over the place here today. It's incredible. Got a little Stingray action here. I gotta tell you, I've driven these cars. This body style right here, so nice. That extra sidewall makes a big difference compared to my C6. Let me tell you, super, super comfy ride. Oh, we got a nice little Ford Roadster over here. Look at this bad boy. Look at this Roadster, guys. This is a nice. Look at that. Ooh, shaved door handles and everything. Look at that, huh? Very clean inside. Clean as a whistle. Big old exposed tires. Oh, we got some stuff going on here. Look at it. Ooh. Beautiful, beautiful Corvette, guys. Now, this right here. This is sexy. It's like a sunburnt orange. Flip-flopping paint, some flames in there, some ghost flames, tribal style, matched inside in the door panels. Now this is a full custom job right here. Look at this eye candy, guys. That is just gorgeous. Beautiful. Now I know. Chrome don't get you home, but let me tell you, sure as hell looks nice when you're pushing it. Oh, fox body. Oh, now this right here is just beautiful. Look at that. Oh, who needs door handles? Reach in and pop them by hand. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And you know you gotta have the big tires just sticking out. That's what these cars are all about, right? Beautiful, beautiful. Got an old 442 here. Now that's nice. A little throwback action. Oh, now this right here. Look at this. Straight up race car. I don't even fit in this thing. You need the jaws of life to get me in or out of this car, for crying out loud. That's insane. To drive this, you're basically like a horse jockey. A midget weighing 100 pounds at best. Oh my goodness, look at this. Wow. Now that is beautiful, guys. Look at this. Look at that intake. Of course, we're rocking the LS1 on this Chevy. Now, super, super clean interior. Shift on the floor. Painted dash, color match the outside. Beautiful chocolate interior. Oh my God, it's like almost a red velvety chocolate interior. Super clean glass. Look at that. That is a lot of baloney slick right there. That's a lot of time. Look how that tucked in. It's just gorgeous. And you gotta have that old school right here with the rally stripes. Look at this. You're gonna hear a lot of noise in the background, guys. Look at this. Ooh. Look at this. Now, this has got to have electric switches on the fans that get overridden because those fans are just going on. They're on a timer. Very good, very good. Just pulled up. Old Monte Carlo here, huh? This reminds me of the Street Outlaws. Doc, I found your street beast, buddy. Street beast in the house. Different color, but that's okay. Nothing a paint job can't fix, right? Gotta have that Mustang. Oh, more Mopar. We still got more Mopar everywhere you look. Look, look, look. Mopar everywhere. Guys, this is a every other Thursday the whole summer. Gotta have that purple Lambo. That's actually a school. It was done with a school, automotive school. And they do it. Oh, McLaren. Yeah, you're gonna get a lot of exotics too here. But I'm an oldies kind of guy. Well, because I'm an old fart. Okay, it is what it is. You guys want a Decepticon? Y'all heard of Bumblebee. Well, there's your Decepticon and there's your Lambo Aventador SV. Oh, a lot of noise. Oh, C7 Vet and another Aventador. Now this is the SVJ model. Ooh, we're playing now. Now we're playing, cooking with fire right there. Guys, I love me my Camaros, okay? Love me Camaros, especially the old ones right here. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful Camaro. Guys, look at this. Just cherry, cherry, cherry. 69 Camaro. Look at this thing. Oh, beautiful. Oh, gotta have the Gallardo. Yeah, Lamborghini Gallardo pulling in. Checking out the old Chevy Bel Air. Ooh, C5. Oh, that exhaust is a little different, right? Look at that. Look at this. This is just insane. Got Military Alley here, guys. Thank you to our veterans and all armed forces for your service. None of this happens without you guys, okay? You have impacted this tremendously. Everything is because of you guys, because of your sacrifices, okay? So anybody ever gives you grief, you send them my way. I will fist fight anybody that gives an armed forces member shit in front of me. Never screw with the armed forces. They are the lifeblood of our family that we call America. So let's not screw with the armed forces. Let's thank a member every time you see one. Thank them for their service, okay, guys? Look at this. I don't even know what the hell that is. Oh, it's a Lotus Elise, guys. A Lotus Elise. Couldn't even tell it. Now, I do know what this is. This is an old Jaguar. You guys remember Austin Powers? Yeah, shag that, baby. Shagorific. Look at this. Wow. This thing looks mint. Just mint. Look at this thing. Look at this. This is beautiful. Just gorgeous, gorgeous. So now that's gentleman's luggage right there. You got 2 suitcases, good enough to hold a suit each. And you don't need anything more than that, right guys? And look at this. I want to ride in the rumble seat. I want to go for a ride in that rumble seat. It just looks so cool. Look at that. Ooh. Classic hot rodding. And of course you gotta have the C6 convertible vet. Look at that. Oh, I like that little front induction. I've always liked that. It's a nice little touch, guys. And I got a Mopar here. Now this right here, this is something that I would get and drive like I stole it. A lot of fun. Oh, stick shift and everything. Yeah, definitely getting a lot of trouble with that, guys. A lot of trouble here. A lot of fun. A ZL1 Camaro. Now that's wild. Get that, huh?
Ice cream bar and down in.
The Camaro, another Mopar. Look at that, huh? A little Hellcat action. There you go, guys. There you go. Look at that, huh? All right. So we got something that we just have to check out. All right. We're talking about military alley. How about missiles, and more missiles? Have you guys seen missiles on a vehicle before? Look at that.
How you doing? Great.
Look at this. This is a trike. This is definitely a home-built creation here. Just, I don't know what to call this other than completely wild. This crazy. That looks like a car engine. Holy moly. Got the missiles there. Radio next to the driver. It is just wild. Wild. Guys, found a nice little pair of Chevys right here. Some nice Bel Air action. Nice beautiful Corvette. Look at this. This thing is just mint. Beautiful. I love the contrast of the black and red. Beautiful. Wow. Look at that, huh? And look at this Nova. Hold on. Guys, you seeing this? This is a Bentley. This is a Bentley with a flare job, wide tires, all smoked out. What in the world? That is crazy. This is just wild. I gotta look inside. Look at this. Now that is luxury. Old school luxury. Let's be clear, this is not a brand new Bentley, but it sure is very nice Bentley coupe. It's a 2-door. I always joke around the B for Bentley there in the flying square. That's not that right there. That B is not for Bentley. It's not for Baller. It's for Bellini. I need one of these cars, guys. All right, I need one of them cars. Gotta have the Chevy Nova SS. More Mopars. Camaro. Jaguar. Look at the Toyota. Oh, that thing is so cute. Cute, but let me tell you, serious, guys. This is serious. Okay. Anybody that knows motors knows this has a lot of work done to it. Fully adjustable suspension, heat wrap, exhaust. It's got a lot of money in here. Okay? A lot of money. But this here, I gotta tell you, I would seriously consider trading the vet for this, guys. This is insane. This is, I mean, just look at this. Look at this. Quick change gears on the rear end. Okay? Huge tires. Makes the Corvette tires look puny. I mean, that's no joke, kid. Okay? This thing is just beautiful. Guys, look at this. Look at this. That is nuts. Beautiful car. Beautiful. Look at this. Now, you probably can't see much of anything, but this right here, I could just look at this for hours at home. Blower, corkscrew blower. Man, this is nuts. This is nuts. Wow. Yeah, I don't think that's a daily driver, but it is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And as is this beautiful 69 Camaro. Look at that. Wow. Hey guys, you remember these? No, it's not a Monte Carlo. No. This is a Buick Regal. Okay, this is the supercharged Buick Regal. You know, well, it's not supercharged. Actually, it's turboed. So it's a 3.8 sport fuel injection, turbo. Got the old RX-7 here. Can't go wrong there. We got another Camaro SS. Another Camaro. Ooh, what is this, boys and girls? This right here. Oh, come on. Tell me you guys don't like yourself a red Impala every now and then. Oh my God. Now, don't get mad if I get a car wrong. I am wearing sunglasses, not my prescription glasses. And, well, I can't see diddly. Why? Because I'm fucking old, all right? I'm old. Shit happens. Get over it. Now, here's another Impala without the wing. This is when cars could take the whole family. Remember that? Remember that era? I got another one for you. How is that? That is art on wheels. Look at this Mercury. This is just old school gangster. Look at this. Wow. Look at that, huh? Got the tuxedo look. Black and white trim with some chrome. Just beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, boys and girls. I gotta show you this. This is a full custom open wheel show car. Okay, look at that. Look at that. I mean, this thing is art. You can't drive this. I would ruin it. I can't drive this car. Now, I can Google all over it, you know, just drooling all day long. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Even the shifter looks badass. Everything was minimalistic and just custom as hell. Wow. Oh, that is just gorgeous. True custom. But now we go here to this race car. This race car is just insane. Here, you want to shift? Pick a lever, any lever. It is crazy. Crazy. Look at this. You want to talk power? Got a BDS intake. Look at that blower, huh? Not only is it a dragster, it is a work of art. Just gorgeous condition. You cannot beat this thing. Is insane. Just beautiful. Hey guys, so we've been here for a good half hour or so, and we've seen a lot of beautiful, beautiful cars. And I can keep walking around. Cars come, cars go. It's just constant revolving cars. It's a beautiful, great time, and well, I'm gonna try and enjoy some of this, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, so hit the like, hit the subscribe, and enjoy. Bye.